Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're going to be doing a quick trade recap from the trade that I took last night in Asia. I took this trade on my Alpha Futures accounts, also took it on my Top Step accounts. So on Alpha Futures, secured about, hold up, let's open this in a new tab. Secured about 3 racks, so 1K across 3 accounts, and then on Top Step, secured about a rack. Didn't risk a lot on Top Step because it was the last day I needed to secure payout. So securing that payout tonight, I'm gonna be requesting it as well. And yeah, overall, let's break down this trade. What I saw here was 6 p.m. or let's start overall with the entire day. So in the morning we had some FOMC statement news in the afternoon, so I decided not to trade AM session just because probabilities were not in my favor. FOMC statement is a day where probabilities could be lower, especially for ICT traders at least. So that's the reason why I sat out, just because based on my data, that's a day that losses usually occur. So I'd rather just not trade a day like that. And I decided to wait until Asia. So pretty much what happened here in Asia was 6 p.m. EST open, manipulated us lower into this bullish SMT at the low, into this bullish order block on the 1 minute. We then made a internal SMT as well right here and took our entry off this 30-second inverse order block right here. Once we closed above this OB on the 30-second, I got in, and my target was this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap above. You can see perfect TP as well. Right after we hit it, we had a nice reaction right after, because that unfilled 15-minute fair value gap was an inefficiency in the market after we got the SMT. So what does price do after taking out liquidity? It rebalances inefficiencies. So this is a perfect example of that. So this setup basically had a double SMT, so external SMT and then internal as well. So when I saw that, I then looked for a PD array that we could be rejecting, which was the order block here on the 1 minute. I then looked for a target as well on the internal time frame that I wanted to see get rebalance, which was this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap above. And higher time frame, I was more bearish, but the thing is, with this 15-minute above, I wanted to see that get rebalanced first before the run lower, which you can see right here. We rebalanced it and then delivered lower. So exactly what I wanted to see. And all that I needed to do, damn, I can't even speak. All that I needed to do was catch that retracement up towards the 15-minute fair value gap to then catch basically my move of the day. So I only need one move. 1 to 2 is all I need. If I can catch a 1 to 2 consistently, that's all I need to be profitable, and that is the way that I trade. Also, this was an ABS model. You can see right here we had this low, high, lower low, took out liquidity, SMT, closed above the OB, retapped it, failed, disrespected it at first, but then we put in a new SMT. So if we look at this right here, we then put in a new ABS, low, high, lower low, closed above the candle highs here, retap the ABS, and you can see beautiful top tick from the ABS to then deliver us higher here towards our drawn liquidity, which was that unfilled fair value gap above. You can see also we rejected this breaker to the tick later on, had a reaction off of that. But yeah, pretty simple model. And yeah, basically just took my 1 to 2 and hopped off. Let's see if I missed anything. Yeah, that should be good. And yeah, ended up securing 3 racks on Alpha Futures, about a rack on Top Step, secured a Top Step payout as well. So overall, a good end of the week. Today is, I'm recording this on Thursday. Today's a bank holiday in AM, so not trading AM. I'm gonna be trading Asia later with the Discord as well. Oh, also this was alerted live in Discord on the live stream, so a bunch of people took this as well. So yeah, it wasn't just me that caught this, it was a bunch of people as well that trade the ABS model, a bunch of my exclusive members. But yeah, if you're still not funded also and you're struggling to get funded, there's a link in my bio, or I think in the description, maybe it's in the link tree. Let's see, is it there? Should be there. Yeah. If you're still struggling to get funded and you want to work with me one-on-one, just hit this link here in my bio. Apply to work with me one-on-one if you want. I basically guarantee to work with you one-on-one until you're funded 6 figures with prop firms and until you start to receive your first ever payouts. So if that's something you're interested in as well, make sure to fill that out. And if you want to live trade with me every single morning, I do have that service as well. But yeah, overall, a clean session. And yeah, we just kept dumping. There is a ton of war news in the market right now. There's a ton of crazy stuff going on. You can see right here, straight up, look at this big ass candle on, what is this, the 30-second chart? Damn. But yeah, markets are a bit crazy right now. Just be extra cautious. Honestly, I like it. I like the volatility a lot. I do like trading when volatility is high because I do like to move to break even pretty fast. I go to break even like 101, or like internal highs and lows. But yeah, I do like the volatility. It can get a little bit crazy, some big ass wicks. Just stay safe out there. Make sure to always. Also, some of my exclusive members have been absolutely cooking. Here's a $2,700 day on an Express. Hell yeah, absolutely killing it. Here's a Asia, clean Asia. Was this floating 3 racks? Hell yeah. A lot of these people only trade ABS as well. Let's see, 2K day on an Express again. And $100 loss. That's nothing. Let's see, everybody's funded, which is fire. I love to see that. Absolutely cooking. Yo, that's crazy. Combine, bruh, that's crazy. 1K day. This also just shows that my model works not only for me, but it works for my students as well. You can see secured some payouts here. Hell yeah. Shout out BC Drums, killing it, bro. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe for more.